Hello everyone, welcome to another video of public app. In this video we are going to talk about JavaScript variable scope. So there are three ways to create any JavaScript variable using var keyword, using let keyword and using const keyword. So we will see what are their scope and how can we use these variables in JavaScript. So first we will go with var keyword. So creating a var variable var num equal to 10, then console.log num, so it will print the value of that variable. Then we will create another var variable var num equal to 5, so that is also works. So here num variables value has been changed, and here we can see that we are declaring num variable 2 times and that is working fine, and the num variable has been overridden, so this is working fine. And when we will try this in the let keyword, so let num equal to 10, let num equal to 5, and then we are running and we will get the error that num has been already declared. So we cannot redeclare any variable that was declared with let keyword. So this is the main difference between var and let. Now we will see const keyword. So const num equal to 10, then we are thinking to change the value of that variable, so we can not change the value of that because const is constant. So we can see here error assignment to constant variable. That means we cannot assign new value to the declared const variable. So if we are creating any new variable using const keyword, that time only we can assign the value to that variable, and same thing we can do in the let. So here if we will declare any variable using let keyword, then it will work fine, but we cannot redeclare same variable using let keyword, so this will throw an error. So this was all about these variables. Now we will talk about variable scope in function. So if we are creating var num equal to 10 and there is a function abc console.log num, here I will write inside function so that we can identify that which is logged by function and which is logged by outside of the function. Now we are calling that function abc. Now we can see that we have created a variable outside of function, and there is no variable with that name inside the function. The function is accessing the variable of outside of that function. Now we will redeclare the variable inside the function. So num equal to 5, and inside function we can see that output is 5 and outside of that we are getting 10. So if we will do the same thing using let keyword, then that is also working same as var keyword. And when we will go to the const keyword, const num equal to 10, const num equal to 5. So as we know, we cannot redeclare the same variable using const keyword. This should be throwing an error, but this will work fine. So here you can see that we are getting 5 in output and inside of function, and outside of function we are getting 10. So this const variable is only for the function, and this const is for everywhere. So if we will comment this out, and then it will find outside of that function that any variable is declared or not. So this is accessing that variable. Any function, first see inside that any variable is declared or not, then that function will see outside of that function is there any variable declared or not. So this is how a function scope works in JavaScript. That's all about today's video. In next video we will see again, and thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like and comment on this video.